Hello viewers, I am Professor Ashish Agrawal from School of Engineering and Technology. My discipline is Mechanical Engineering and I am course coordinator for your course Inventory and Stores Management in Construction Industry. This course code is ET581B. This course consists of two blocks. One is inventory control and the second is stores management. In the first block, you will get the information about the concept of inventory, inventory control techniques and inventory management in construction industry. Block 2 is devoted to stores management. First unit is introduction to stores management, second store accounting procedure and third is quality in stores. Now, we will discuss what is inventory and what is the concept of inventory. Basically, inventory refers to all the items and goods, merchandise and materials which are held by a business for selling in the market to earn profit. That means, anything which is kept at present in anticipation for use in future is called as inventory. The objective of keeping inventory or inventory planning is various terminology that we will use in this block. We will also try to classify inventory just like work in process inventory, finished inventory and raw material inventory. We will also explain need, objective and the function of inventory. We will differentiate between different types of demand inventory. We will identify and we will explain various factors affecting the inventory. We will also describe the various cost parameters used in inventory. For example, cost carrying cost, ordering cost or stock out cost. We will also discuss the need for inventory control in the construction industry. Now, we will come to the stores management. Stores management basically is concerned with ensuring that all the activities involved in the storekeeping and stock control are carried out efficiently and economically by the store person. Basically, in the store management, we try to keep the inventory for the future use. Objective of this stores management is to prepare the plans for the storage building. We will monitor the function of storage building. We will classify various types of storage. We will arrange for security and safety of stores. We will take steps for the storage of hazardous materials. That means, we will describe what are the steps we will take for the storage of hazardous materials. I hope that you will enjoy this course, inventory and stores management in construction industry. In the SWAYAM platform, we will provide you the course material in the form of 6 units and also the video lectures. I hope that this will benefit you in learning and in enhancing your knowledge about inventory and stores management. Thank you.